You ever open two reels back to back and get totally lost, wondering which one even started first? That's the thing. Short-form content absolutely lives or dies on clarity and punch. If I had to pick which one I'd actually watch more, it's always the one on the left that makes sense in a single glance. Both videos might be giving similar information, but the effort and presentation are the real night and day difference. That's why small details like captions, timing, and little visual tweaks matter way more than most people realize. Okay, let's quickly walk through how creators usually tackle this manually before I show you a much smoother way. Most people right now either record one long video and just hope Instagram or Shorts magically picks the good parts, or they chop it all by hand. Then they manually add captions, stick some emojis on, and call the whole process a day. It definitely works as a method, but honestly, it's slow and way too inconsistent for serious posting. Here's the common approach. You open your editing app, import your full clip, and hit that auto caption feature. Great, you got captions dumped onto the timeline, but now they instantly need adjustment. You have to dive into batch edit to scrub through timing, fix all the words the app misheard, and correct typos. Then you need to change the font because the default is usually too small or just looks weird in lowercase. You tweak the size so lines don't overflow into too messy rows and set in and out animations for every single caption line. After all that, you manually place the stickers or PNG overlays you took the time to download from Google. It's totally doable, and tons of creators do exactly that, but man, it's a ton of repetitive microtasks. Let me give you a real example of that tedious process. Auto-generate, then batch edit for typos. Next, you go to Styles to manually pick an all-caps font so it actually reads well on a small phone screen. You adjust the color, add a shadow for pop, tweak the letter spacing, and apply enter/exit animations, like a quick zoom. Then you go find that perfect sticker or PNG, remove its background with a built-in tool, and finally hit export. If you do this once, it's fine, but if you do this 10 times a week, you are going to burn out fast. Now, this is the exact moment where smarter tools, like a dedicated editor, actually change the whole game for you. These tools don't replace your fun, creative choices. They just completely remove the tedious, repetitive grind. A tool like this takes your single long video, finds the parts that will actually perform the best, and auto-edits them into clips. It also auto-generates captions that are surprisingly accurate, positions them perfectly, and gives you one easy panel to tweak the style. Let me walk you through how you can go from a 20-minute sit-down to a whole week's worth of polished reels, the casual way. Step 1 is honestly just uploading that long source video into the platform. The system immediately ingests it and analyzes the footage to spot all the natural punchlines and energy peaks. Instead of just chopping randomly, it intelligently suggests the specific clips that are actually worth sharing with your audience. Next up is the auto-edit and caption generation sequence. With a click, the tool automatically trims those chosen moments down to perfectly platform-friendly lengths. Captions are generated and aligned to the audio, and crucially, you get a single panel to batch fix any misheard lines. That means no more scrubbing through a whole timeline just to adjust the timing on one awkward caption line. Step 3 is where all the styling gets centralized in one single easy-to-access place. Want bold, all-caps captions with a specific font and shadow? You set those global styles once. That single style choice instantly propagates across every caption line in the clip without you touching them again. And if a line breaks awkwardly across two rows, you can simply toggle a spacing option or change the line height. Done. Step 4 covers adding all those necessary stickers, GIFs, and custom overlays you need. You can drag media in, but the tool also links to a built-in sticker and GIF library, so you rarely have to leave the app to Google something. Need to cut the background out of a custom overlay graphic? There's a one-click background remover that just works. Want that sticker to pop exactly when you say a key phrase? Just set a timestamp and the overlay appears automatically at that moment. Finally, we come to the part most platforms ignore: efficient batch export and scheduling. You pick your posting frequency and platforms, and the tool queues up everything across your entire content plan. That content calendar lets you see exactly what's going live, move posts around, and tweak captions for each specific platform. So instead of manually posting every single day, you set it up once and the system handles the rest of the distribution for you. Now let's be honest, there are other tools out there in the wild. CapCut is amazing, and it's free, but it remains largely manual when you're managing multi-clip workflows. Descript has awesome transcription capabilities, but its export and direct social scheduling features are quite limited. Some platforms only handle captions, and others only let you schedule, but they rarely offer both in one smooth flow. The sweet spot for this kind of tool is bridging those gaps. Smart clip selection, solid captions, easy styling, and actual scheduling together. You don't have to be a design professional to get those crisp, scroll-stopping reels anymore. For creators focused on scalability, turning one interview into a dozen short videos across all platforms saves serious hours. Here are a few quick pro tips I always use myself when I'm rolling out content. Always skim the auto-generated captions because names or unique slang can sometimes get slightly messed up. If your video has fast punchlines, lean into the all-caps caption style because it boosts readability at a glance. Keep your animations short, like a 0.15 to 0.25 second zoom, to keep things snappy and not distracting. If any single line of text is doing too much heavy lifting, just add some spacing or break it into 2 separate captions quickly. Always check the built-in GIF and sticker library first, because using that internal resource saves you searching time. And about monetization. Once you have a steady flow of shorts, you start repurposing top clips to drive traffic to long-form revenue streams. This kind of fast iteration lets you find what works, double down immediately, and schedule all the variations automatically. In the end, making clean, scroll-stopping short videos isn't about mastering 10 different apps. It's about establishing a workflow that removes all the repetitive tasks so you can focus purely on your creativity. Whether you keep tweaking manually or automate clip selection, the core goal remains clarity, timing, and style. This new workflow doesn't replace your creative brain. It just takes away all the tedious busy work so your ideas can truly shine. Here's a challenge for you. Take one long video, let the tool auto-suggest just 6 to 8 clips, and skim those captions. Pick one style preset, drop in a single sticker, and schedule the resulting posts across all your different platforms. You will be genuinely surprised how fast a whole week's content lineup comes together without any marathon editing sessions. Forget repetitive caption timing fixes. Just record, polish quickly, and then let the system do the heavy lifting for you. All right, go make content that truly reads clearly at just one quick glance. And when you are ready to seriously scale up, batch create, schedule, and manage everything, you will know exactly where to look. Catch you in the comments if you want a full breakdown of style presets that actually help convert your viewers. Peace out and happy creating.